the building is so dear to Cape Town that everybody has a story that's connected to it. Everybody has that time when they came with a friend and they had a gin and tonic. So this video is really about giving everybody a little glimpse into what only guests will really ever see. This building dates from the mid-1920s. It's a very particular architectural style. It's called Cape Revivalist. So you'll see the two big gables. It's a big white building. This architecture is about big, solid masonry work. So the walls are strong and heavy. The core of this renovation started with the bathrooms. So this entire project was about bathroom renovations that then led to a full renovation. This reveal is about showing off a part that not everybody has access to. And in particular, we're very proud of our new luxury bathrooms, really romantic. And then as the rooms progress, as we complete the renovation, we can add to that story. Our backdrop is all about black and white, and we use it in a very strong and a very bold way, but it gives us a beautiful stage for great faucets. The faucets are styled in a way that feels appropriate to this kind of building. So it's something that is reminiscent of, without trying to copy. Attracts people that come off the promenade after a walk, cycles past on a Saturday morning and stops for a quick coffee. It attracts some very glamorous international travelers. And that's always been the magic.